Welcome to Muhammad Ali Travel YouTube channel. This is my detailed review of my first ever purchased MacBook Air. I am a huge fan of MacBook Pro. I have been working on a MacBook Pro professionally for many years, and actually I have thought for some time to buy my own MacBook Air. This month I had to make the decision to buy my first MacBook Air. No doubts, the price of a MacBook Air is quite high. £1,249 British pound. But it is genuinely worth the price. In this video I will unbox my MacBook Air, which is equipped with a M2 chip, a 13.6-inch Liquid Retina display and a Touch ID. In the video description under this video I will share a mega tip how I purchased my MacBook Air for 10% cheaper and also got a cashback on top. During the unboxing of my purchase I will share my thoughts and my first impression. Please support my channel and hit the subscribe button below for more videos like this. At the end of this review I will summarize my review and highlight what I really liked and where I was disappointed. So stay tuned and please watch this video to the end.
Hope you liked the unboxing of my MacBook Air. Here are my thoughts. For the price of £1,249, the MacBook Air and its packaging feels expensive and seems to be worth the money. However, it comes only with a small booklet and a charger, which seems to me pretty basic. I purchased a Logitech keyboard case 780, a Logitech M720 Triathlon mouse, a Jabra Evolve 75 headset and a good monitor on top, so I can work efficiently on my new upcoming projects. I have been working now for a few weeks with this MacBook Air. I can say that the MacBook Air is very fast in processing, is light in weight, operates silently without making noises and has a crystal clear livid display. However, the hard disk size of 250 GB seems to be a bit small for the purpose of video editing. The display on its own seems to be small too, but in conjunction with the additional large monitor, it's a good combination. The MacBook Air has a Touch ID, which I find great. It also has Bluetooth connectivity. It is, however, equipped with only 2 Thunderbolt ports, which is a little disappointing. All in all, I really like it. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you the next time.